Hi everyone and welcome to the webinar. Today we will go through all the setups. I will show you what I am watching on and what should be on your radar. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. I'm Christian Santišek. I'm from Slovenia. I've been trading for 10 years and been there active on TradingView for the last 5 years. So those who don't know me, I'm having the academy where I teach people how to trade, how to become profitable, the whole process of becoming profitable. And of course, now with this year, with last month, I am starting the hedge fund. Okay, so this is everything in the startup for now and will be live very shortly. So guys, if you have any questions during the webinar, just stop me anytime you want. Shoot the question in the chat. Okay, I can see both chats from the TradingView and from the YouTube, so feel free to use it and I will answer all your questions. Anyway, if you have any question to ask about the knowledge, about not understanding something, just feel free to shoot with the question in the chat. Hello everyone, I see a lot of people are there on TradingView. So first I will go with those setups, if you do agree of course. With those setups that are there on my right side, they are looking very nice and interested. Please can you look at DXY? Yeah, of course. DXY is over there and I still see the same move, but it's kind of slow, but it's still going lower and I'm still expecting it to keep on dragging lower all the way back at the trend at least. Okay, so if you watch the daily, we are in this huge channel over there, and since previous week I'm still expecting it to at least tag the trend line. Okay, this will be the minimum prices for now, following this nicely, building all the time those nice sell setups, and it's keep pushing lower. Okay, a little bit slowly, but it's still pushing, so we have to be ready for this kind of the move to the downside. Aussie yen short, not yet. Okay, I'm afraid that yen pairs, okay, all the GBP pairs are not ready yet. Okay, they are at the top, we are waiting them to start pushing lower, but they are not ready yet. So let me show them quickly. Okay, let's answer first all your questions. Let's change this webinar a little bit. Let's make it a little bit different than it was before. So Aussie yen, look at that one. I still see there is the flag for more upside. Okay, so that's still looking like a expanded flat for one more buy. Okay, so I really do not want from you that you are searching to sell somewhere there from the new highs, let's say like that. Okay, so trading from there, it's very dangerous, and this kind of trading will not make you profitable. Okay, before this trade will break down, you can have a lot of losses, and trust me, it's not worth of aiming the highs. Okay, you won't be more profitable if you will be first in the trade or trying to catch the top. Okay, stop doing this. Okay, I've been doing this for a while. I want to have the perfect entry. I want to be the first guy on this planet Earth to have the trade or to be in the trade, but in some time it doesn't plays out well. Okay, I have a lot of drawdowns because of this. I have 10 losses in a row and then 11 trade goes in the profit, but that was the problem. Okay, I had to took, for example, 5 losses, 6 losses, 7 losses, and then one trade went to the profit, but all those trades before which went against me, which stopped me out, made too much minus, and one trade couldn't cover the 5 trades. So that's the biggest problem. Wait always for a nice setup, for a nice confirmation. Okay, sometimes it's better to let them drop through the trend line, then crack, then take a trade. It's much better than trying to guess where's the top to start selling. It's even better to buy it. Okay, buying it all the way back at the top, but I do not recommend you buying it Aussie yen. Okay, it's going up, that's true, but buying it from this high, it's kind of dangerous. It could turn to the downside. So rather pick another yen pair. Okay, for example, euro yen. Okay, euro yen, it's better to take a buy if you are watching to buy any yen pair. Okay, if you're watching to buy the yen pair, here it is. This one is much better than Aussie yen. This to go up, and this will be your profit before next turn to downside. But that doesn't mean you will sell it from this trend line. Okay, just wait it. You will just take profit from all the buys that you have taken from there. Even CAD yen is good one. Okay, CAD yen it's giving you the good buy setup over there. And look at that one. It's looking very nice. And this is the reason why all yen pairs are not ready yet. Okay, try to hold on a little bit. Try to be patient a little bit with the sells. Okay, if you don't want to go for these short-term buys, it's okay. Okay, we don't need to take every trade. You just have to stay patient. Okay, that doesn't mean you will be watching and trying to sell everything. Just let it drop to that trend line. Okay, so I really do recommend everyone to wait for this breakout before you will start selling. You don't need to be first one in this trade or first one from the top. In the event of US stock crash, how can we benefit from it in the forex trading? That's not having any connection. Okay, try to watch those charts more separately. Okay, searching for correlation, searching for any connection between the markets will just confuse you. Okay, it can really easily confuse you, and you're losing focus and energy on some things that are not proven that it will work, and they not always work 100%, and we are wasting time there. So my question is, why wasting your time and energy on something that's not proven to work? So rather focus on the pure chart and patterns. Of course, patterns are the only thing which will tell you where the chart will move in the future, but you will have to do that from the daily. Okay, lower time frame patterns are not that strong enough to tell you where the price will move, but the daily patterns, daily chart, it's very stable one, and it will be much more relevant to rely on. Okay, so with yen pairs we know what to do. Okay, so sellers, once again, to sum up all the yen pairs, if you want to be the seller on yen pairs, you have to wait. Okay, give it some more time and then you will sell. But for buyers, if you want to take this last push to the upside, you can go for it. Okay, but keep the trade in front of you. Okay, don't forget on it. Okay, don't let it do whatever it wants to do, because it can turn. It can make a new high and start turning. So this could easily go like this, or it could just do something like this and climbing up, but it will drop eventually. At any time soon, this has to drop down. So any buy you take, you have to at least move your trade on break even very fast. Okay, so but the potential is still there. Okay, but potential is still there, especially on euro yen. Okay, this is my daily structure. Okay, 1, 2, and this is the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could go another leg lower, and then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, it could still go for one more up, but we need this deeper correction. Okay, so keep an eye on it. So yeah, of course, webinar it's always recorded. Okay, just to let us to let everyone know, this webinar it's recorded, and the link it's on my channel. Okay, you can watch it anytime you want. It's on the channel, and of course those who are watching me on TradingView as well, this recording of this video will be on TradingView. If you have difficulties finding it, go to my profile, Wavemaster, and under the stream tab you will find the recording. Okay, thank you for doing this. Already quite informative for a beginner. Yeah, that's what we all need to understand. Okay, those are the basics. Very good basics will create your future. So if you guys will have any question, use the chat. I'm here to help you, to support you, and of course I'll be very happy if I see you profitable. Okay, that's my goal. Okay, would love to see everyone will understand the charts, because I see that there is the big misunderstanding by understanding the charts. Okay, there is a knowledge missing between you, so would love to spread that knowledge between everyone, especially for those who want to become profitable and those who want to go on the next level. Okay, so let's go Euro GBP. What I can see there, okay, Euro GBP, I still see this one going higher. Okay, so keep an eye there. This move could be similar like this one over there, less push to the upside, will not last longer. Okay, I really don't anticipate this one going really massively. Okay, why not? Because if this wants to go higher, we need to have a deeper correction over there, and then I will anticipate more upside. Okay, so that's the main reason. The only way which you can trade is this up over there. Okay, that up over there, or just to tag the high, depends on how the chart will behave. You always have to watch previous stops. Okay, that doesn't mean you are just taking trades off. No, you have to put it on break even. Okay, any trade taken over there in this area, you have to put it on break even and watch it what it's trying to do. If it's losing its momentum like this, then you can expect one more drop back at the trend line and still up. If it drops through the trend line correct, then you can expect more downside. So eyes on. Okay, so buy setup of course is there. Aussie USD, it's going up. Okay, there was a buy setup, if you can see. Okay, let me move down to the 15-minute. Hope I will not confuse anyone, because 15-minute is very low time frame, and especially if you don't have experience, it could be kind of hard to understand. Okay, things move very fast and you have to need some experience before you can follow it. Okay, anyway, there was a nice flag pushing higher. Okay, very good chart was over there. How far we can expect Aussie USD to go? Okay, so I really do anticipate that we will go higher. Okay, really do anticipate that the price will go back at the top. If we watch the daily, we break out, we are correcting now, and this is the huge correction for one more leg higher. But of course, we first have to trade for this one. Okay, first wave to the upside, we have something. Okay, if we watch this close enough, we have the first impulsive movement correction, and another one it has to appear. Okay, this move up and then drop, or it will just break out of the structure. So that means taking any buy stops is very good, but don't trade just breakouts. Okay, taking the breakout entry over there because we are breaking out of this daily trend line doesn't mean anything. Okay, you have difficulties by doing this. Okay, you have to find the entry on lower time frame. Okay, always find the lower time frame entry. Look at that one, this is nicely climbing up. So net on, if you miss those, if you miss any of those trades, still wait for another one, it will come, and then you can take a trade. Okay, so you'll never miss something. Okay, there's always a chance building for you. I have a lot of problems in the beginning of my trading, that I always thought that I will miss something, and I was pushing the trades, I was jumping into the trades. Every candle that appears on the chart, I thought, oh god, I have to enter it, but everything the trade didn't go as I expected, and mostly I saw that I'm in the trade too early. So try to not rush in the trade. Okay, give it some time, let it develop, let it confirm, let it correct, let it do something before you jump in. Okay, so again, there New Zealand USD going up. So all these reasons for Aussie USD going up, New Zealand going up, Pound USD going up, and Euro USD going up. The reason is DXY, as I have shown at the beginning of the webinar. I'm still expecting dollar DXY to go deeper, and that's the reason why we will see there a push to the upside on those pairs that I'm currently showing you. And the rest, for example, USD CAD will go down, USD Chief as well will go down. So if you watch the rest, Pound USD, okay, this one will go up, but I'm not interested for this one. Why? Because if this gives me the correction flag or anything, then I will become interested. 15 minutes, what do we have there? There is something, but I love to see more. Okay, I would love to see more correction, and then I will take a trade. Something like this, and then I will take it. Here, I really am not interested. I would rather take something else. I took a Euro USD over there. Okay, so I took a Euro USD trade. It's building up. It's going up, and I'm expecting it to break out of the structure. We are in this huge correction over there, and for more downside on your USD, I would love to see there the bigger correction and then more upside. Okay, so something like this is what I'm anticipating over there on daily, of course. And that's the reason why I'm anticipating the bigger correction, but would love to see this one going out, correct, and then going up again, something like this, and then we'll see very nice break to the downside. So this is the reason why I'm taking the buy. And of course, like I said, DXY, it's showing to me that it's gonna go lower. USD CAD as well. Okay, there was some flag. We will need to have a little bit bigger correction, and then the price will continue in the direction of the downside. So that would be the next step, to expect a little bit deeper correction than it is this right now. Okay, so any sell that you have taken there, let it drop, you can take a profit because you will see the bigger correction. 1 hour correction is what we will have now. Okay, those are all 15-minute corrections for sell, but they will not last longer. Okay, so there's one more thing to keep in mind, that the bigger correction it is, the bigger the momentum will come. Okay, the smaller correction it is, the impulse will not be that strong. Okay, that's really good and really important thing to keep in mind. Yes, there are some news today, that's true, but we are not focusing on news, okay? And you should not do as well, because market does move because of the news, but it moves during the news, but in the direction of the pattern. Okay, so we have to keep this thing clear. Market will always move in the direction of the pattern, in the direction of impulsive movement. Okay, the news could help him to move faster, but it will move in the direction of the pattern. Okay, will not move because of some numbers of the news. Okay, these are really important stuff to understand. So keep on selling the USD CAD. That's a good chart to watch. Aussie CAD. This one it's pushing higher. There was a couple of buy setups. There is the buy stop, went up. Okay, there was the expanded flat, keep on pushing higher. So what the price can do from this standpoint. Okay, so this could just correct and still go up. Okay, if these do so, of course you'll go for the buy. Okay, take that buy to the upside. I really can see this could break out totally out of this daily structure. Why? What was the reason? I think this daily picture is now clearly showing to you what the price will do in the future. I really anticipate another leg higher back at the trend line at least, and there it will be the correction. That's the minimum what I'm anticipating. So move is very good, a nice potential, it's over there to be made, 300 pips, and if you catch it from spots like there, that's gonna be a good trade, and you can hold it. Okay, you will be able to hold it all the way back at the trend, and I think you can make some nice money over there on this move to the upside. Euro Chief, same there. Okay, if you watch the daily, I see there are nice potential impulse to the upside, a corrective structure, and then another leg higher. It's what I do anticipate. Okay, so corrective structure on daily. So what we have there on lower time frame, what we should do, of course, we'll watch for the buy stops. Okay, yesterday we were talking about this sell over there. Okay, if you took a sell over there, yeah, you can take some small profit. I will not hold it more. Okay, it could go lower, and this will be all what you will get out from the trade. Can I focus on trading this wave to downside? No. Okay, that's too small. I really don't love to take this trade, this small trades. This will not make you money, but you're risking more than you will make. Okay, so because in the terms of trading, if you'll take a sell over there, for example, there or wherever, okay, I don't know what is your enter strategy. Okay, you need your enter strategy, but let's say you'll open it somewhere there, your stop loss is over there, and your profit is this. Okay, so I hope you see that there is something not working good, or that something is wrong over there. You are risking more than your profit is, so that should not be like this. You have to risk less to make more, so potential it's not there. So that's the reason why I really don't want to take this trade. It doesn't matter if I'm 100% sure that this is going down. Okay, potential to make money, it's not there. But reducing my stop loss, it's as well not making sense. Okay, some of them will say I can reduce my stop loss like this. No, that's even worse, because it's going to just spike up and then still go down. It will take you out with the stop loss and then it will go. That would even make you nervous. Okay, you will become angry, and you'll feel frustrated, you'll think that strategy is not working, you'll think that you're doing something wrong, and you'll think that market is going against you, blah 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 blah, and stuff like this. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, those are really mistakes that I've been making at the beginning of my trading. Okay, and would really love to share that, and would really love that you will hear these mistakes. Okay, you can hear them because you can make some improvements and not to do them in your future. So that's the reason why I'm not taking the trade. We'll let it go lower and then I will start watching for the buy. Maybe that will be by the end of the day today or tomorrow. We have no idea when exactly. No, I would not encourage buying your chief right now. Okay, this is again another problem getting it, because why? This could still extend lower. Where is your stop? Okay, where is your stop? If you will be buying it right now, okay, as we have a question now, buying it right now. Why I do not recommend buying it right now? Because you could be just lucky, and if it will go, congratulations, you'll make profit. But that doesn't work always like this, and in 10 trades we always have to watch on more trades, not only one example. For example, 10 trades, 9 of them will not work, 1 will work. And the biggest problem over there is profit is good. Now, stop loss, where should I put my stop loss? If I put it over there, that's not making sense, because if this is the correction, it has to break the low. It has to break this low, tag the trend line, and you'll be stopped out. Okay, another problem. If I put it over there, okay, under this low, what this can do, this could still struggle, and this last move to the downside can extend. Okay, this 15-minute can extend into the 5-wave structure of the 15-minute. It will stop you out, and then it will still go up. So here's a nice example that's too fast. Okay, we can't just buy it from the current spot as it is right now, even on 15 minutes. Okay, we don't have anything that we can rely on. Okay, so rather wait to break out of the structure and correct. This is the correction which you can rely on. Okay, more stable. Don't try to grab the trade over there, or even worse, don't try to grab the low. Okay, grabbing the low is very dangerous because you cannot see in the future, and we will never know where is the low until there is the finished low and confirmed low. Okay, so this could still extend and extend and extend and extend and extend and extend and extend. Okay, this could keep going, and this was the problem. So next one, Euro New Zealand, what we are having over there daily. This one is very interesting chart because we have a big, this is more 2-week chart, monthly, sorry. We have an impulsive structure to the downside, and now we are having a corrective structure over there. Okay, this is very good. So what we are anticipating, another leg to the downside, but chart is not ready yet, as you can see. Okay, it's struggling, there is no strong momentum, but if it will go lower, that this is the correction and we are going down from there. Let's see what we have on daily. Okay, daily it is trying to lose its momentum, but it still keep pushing. I'm expecting it to tag the trend line. Okay, so if you want to go for the buy, you can go, but I would rather wait. Okay, it's not ready yet. Okay, you can watch this one, this to struggle, take a buy and taking profit somewhere there. Okay, around the trend line or around the previous top if you want to, or it can even extend. The correction can get bigger. Okay, this can even extend. This will be 1 2 3 4 5 structure, and then it will go up. Okay, or this one will go up. So we are on the spot where the chart needs to tell us where the price will go. If it drops down, and if this is the all-time high and we are starting the downside, I will not miss anything. I will let it drop and I'm selling on the next correction. Okay, I will not miss a lot. So slowly, guys, never rush for the trade. Let it do whatever, let it prove, let it confirm, let it show you what the price is trying to do. Then we are coming. Okay, we're not here to guess the top or bottoms, or we are not here to be the first in the trade. At least I'm not for this business anymore. I was in the beginning of my career. Want to be the first guy on the planet taking the trade. That becomes really expensive. So watch this. Okay, let it correct. If it corrects there, then watch for this strong break to the upside over there. If it goes down, you know how far it is going. It could just go down, break this low, and then it again will start push its way to the upside. If it totally breaks down, very good, because then we are in the making of the downtrend, or we are setting up the downtrend. Okay, both directions will be good. Next one, UK oil. Okay, been sharing this chart for kind of a while. It's even posted on TradingView, and every webinar I'm sharing it, because we all know what the price is doing. Okay, it's very clear that we are having a nice pullback. Now we're having the correction over there, and we will go up. Okay, what I'm expecting is that the oil prices will hit $150 per barrel. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating, and a lot of buy setups will be there in this upside. Some of them already appeared. Okay, so if you watch the 15-minute, I've been talking about them for kind of a lot. Okay, this is the buy stop, went up. This is another buy stop, went up. Okay, and it could still go. It could be still another big one, and then still can go more up. Of course it will go, right? So at least back at this trend line is what we'll be trading for. Can't go into the bigger correction, of course. This could just go up, and then it will give you the bigger correction over there, and then it will go another leg higher. Okay, this will look something like this, like a channel, and then of course there we need another bigger correction, and then more upside. Okay, so here's where you can get a lot of problems, because some of them will think we're going downside, but we have to watch this correction, how it appears, and which correction is it, what is it telling to us. Okay, what the chart is telling to us. Will it go lower, or will it continue the direction to the upside? So what you have to do is just wait for the buy stops. Okay, let it go, let it pull back, take a buy, go up, let it wait for the big correction, take a buy. Okay, and then pull back, take a buy, wait for the bigger correction, and then go for the buy again. Okay, easy. Those will be a little bit bigger corrections. Those will be the lower degree corrections. US oil, the similar thing. Okay, the same thing. It's pushing up nicely. Can it break down as well? Yes, it can, but it doesn't look like. Okay, if it breaks down, all trades that you have taken over there has to be on the break even, and you will have to let it go down back at new low and buy again. You'll be buying it again. Okay, so you can have a loss over there. You can have a loss over there. Definitely there is this US oil has the same picture as UK oil has. Okay, we have to come back at least to that trend line, but I'm expecting it dragging up back at $150 per barrel. I'm expecting those prices to be reached until December. Okay, next 3 months. Okay, till the January, at the beginning of the next year, I'm 100% sure that we will have the oil prices very, very high and around $150 per barrel. And then at the beginning of the first quarter of next year, we will see that the price will start going down. Okay, so silver, what the silver is trying to do, daily, very nicely visible. Okay, impulsive structure, and this is the correction. This is the correction where we are going. We are going back at the top. Okay, something like this is what we will have over there, and then more downside. Okay, so too far away, we ain't gonna talk about 6 months ago what will happen. We don't need to know what will happen in 6 months forward, because we want to make money now. So what the price is trying to do, silver, it's giving you the 115-minute correction, which is already in the play, but it could just go up, and then it will give you the bigger correction, and then more upside. It will keep pushing higher. Look at that one. I'm expecting it back at this trend line. Okay, so this is the move I'm anticipating. So we have to watch lower time frame, what the price and how it will develop. Okay, it can easily go up, and then like I said, bigger correction. It can even go a little bit breaking the trend line. That doesn't mean anything, and still going up. Okay, so another thing that you should understand, don't sell the breakout just because. Reason is this: if you sell the breakout, you can get yourself in trouble. You will take a sell, and then in next couple of hours the trade will turn aggressive to the upside. And what will happen, and what happened at least to me, I got stopped out because I was selling it, prices changed, and boom, I was stopped out. This was the one problem. Another problem is I missed the buy over there. That was the second problem. I missed the buy, and then I feel frustrated. So don't do the same mistake as I did. Let them go, let them correct, wait Stay patient for buy. Breaking of trend line doesn't mean the sell. It's still there. Buy is still there, and then you are watching and searching for the buy stops. Okay, so what else? This is all what I have currently on my watch list and what we will be keeping eye on. DXY we already discussed about it. It's pushing, right, and not strong. Okay, slowly, but it's going. Okay, the point is that it's going. Sometimes they are going fast, sometimes they are struggling, and then they go fast. Sometimes they are struggling, and so on. We cannot indicate, or we cannot have an influence on this. The point is that it's going in our direction. The question is just the patient. Okay, guys, so questions. Do you have any questions? Let's go. If you are the new to the trading, if you have, are we looking at some stocks? Yes, we can look. Just let me know which one are you interested. I personally am not trading stocks, but yeah, I can watch them for you. Just let me know which one. Apple, yes, of course I will add it. Let me add that for you. Apple. Let's see the weekly. Seems they are going up. Daily. I think that this is the wave to the upside. This is just the simple pullback. Come on. And now we are just dragging upside. Okay, so one more wave to the upside, it's very possible. And something like this is what we can face. Okay, these two extend to the upside. And then we'll see some deeper drops. So following it to the upside, it's making sense, it's a good idea, but let them confirm. Okay, this break, it's not be a buy for you. Let them give you any correction over there before you're buying it. Okay, you want to see the correction like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So wait for some of them over there before you are triggering. Okay. Okay, looking good, looking great. 15 minutes. Yeah, let them do something. Something like this would be great. So tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, something like this would be great. If it confirms, then you can buy. You can buy it all the way and hold it all the way back at the top, at least back at the previous high. Okay, so this is gonna be your first target. But I think they can extend. They will just correct over there and still go a little bit higher. So what would be the exact correction to go for? A little bit deeper one. Okay, they always pull back. Wait for something like this, like I've shown you. Okay, wait for it. Some of them, it's not ready yet. Okay, if you don't know how to, let me just show you quickly. It's a quick demonstration. You see? Let's wait and then get in. This is what you want to see. You will get many corrections. They will never go in the straight line like this. Okay, never. Any chart on this planet will go like this in the straight line. That's never gonna happen. So this is why you should not rush in the trade. They always show you and confirms the move. Do you like a short at current level? Steam. What did you mean with the steam? I think I don't understand your question. Oh yeah, let me just have a look. Yeah, sorry. I will add it. I have no idea what this is. The Steam. Is this one? Is this the first one, right? Steam. STAM. Let me add it and see what is this one doing. Buy definitely, yeah. This one is interesting, chat. Let me see the lower time frame. It's trying to correct right now. So if you're not in the trade already, wait for it to pull back. Okay, would be very perfect if this goes like a big correction and then going up. Okay, so it should confirm. If it goes now and if you are not into this 15 minutes, if you didn't spot it on time, no worries. Okay, not a problem. It will go again and pull back. Okay, as I have shown you, it always pull back. Okay, every chart, it doesn't matter if it is a stock, crypto, forex, they always pull back. Okay, they go, they pull back, they go, they pull back, they go, they pull back, they go, they pull back. Okay, they go, they pull back, they go, they pull back deeper, and then they will go, they will pull back, they will go, they will pull back, they will go, they will pull back, they will go and pull back deeper, and then they will go again. Okay, so nothing to worry, you will not miss anything. So just keep an eye on this correction over there, what it's trying to do. You're already a little bit late for buying it right now. Okay, it would be very great if this stops somewhere there and starts to pull back at the trend line and then next leg higher. But definitely it's an interested buy. If this goes straight in this straight line, don't buy it, because it can just break it somewhere there and start to go deeper with a deeper pullback and then go up, so you will be stuck. So no worries, don't rush, don't push it. What would be your next buy trade? Buy trade on which market? Forex, crypto, stock, whatever. Which one? You mean forex, right? Or you're welcome. My next buy, let me see. Here GBP. This one's looking great. And of course the dollar pairs. Okay, dollar pairs, those would be great. Those are the very good charts to watch. This one is already, I already bought this one. I'm already in this trade, so this one is, I'm selling. So currently there is nothing, you have to wait. Okay, but if I see any correction, of course I will take the opportunity on AUD. Okay, next pullback I'm buying there, of course. Euro USD. Okay, if it break out correct, then of course I'm buying again. That could be today or tomorrow, I have no idea when, but when it does so, I will be in the trade. Okay, so let me just correct this trend line a little bit. This is going out of the structure now. And what else is for buying? This one, Euro Chief. Of course, Euro Chief will be a good chart to keep an eye on it. Okay, but first I will let it do whatever it wants to do. This expanded, that looks like another leg lower, but I have explained why this is not tradable. But then of course I will be watching for this potential. The Euro Chief, it's a very good chart as well to keep it on your watch list and start watching it for buy, not trading it, just watch it for now. And UK oil as well. Okay, UK oil is doing great across the market, and another pullback, of course I will be buying it as well over there. US oil as well, next pullback, again buying it. Okay, there have been a couple of buys already. Okay, 2 buys has been gone already. You can buy right now, because if they pull back, then I'm gonna buy. So buy there, and Euro Chief is good buy opportunity. So you say currencies are more profitable, interesting to you. I'm not saying that they are more profitable. or interested. They are all the same, but I just love to focus on small things. I don't want to watch whole market. I don't have that much focus, and I will lose the quality if I watch too much markets. Okay, that's the reason. I love to keep my focus on Forex, for example, because there are not a lot of pairs. I can filter them out, and I'm capable of keeping eye under all of them. And I know what they are doing, how they are moving, and so on. So I have a lot of time watching it. If I will add more markets, for example, if I add the crypto, if I'll add the stocks, I will probably lose my focus somewhere. I will lose my focus on Forex. I will lose my focus on, I don't know what I'm doing or where I'm trading exactly. We are just the human beings. We cannot take everything. We don't have that strong focus. That's the reason. So really, it's not good to watch everything. We just have to choose something. What you like, you choose. I choose that the Forex is good for me. Any impressive books, videos recommended for beginners? Yes, I really do recommend you, if you have time, watching the Elliott Wave Principle. It's a free book. Okay, it will give you the basic sense of the direction. This helps me a lot. Okay, I started with this book. Okay, this was my breakthrough book, because first I was struggling about how market moves. So I was trying to understand market and couldn't find the way how market moves. I was trying to understand support and resistance lines, some zones and whatever, and Gartley patterns and those bullshit patterns. But once I read this book, Elliott Wave Principle, it really gives me another sense of which one? It's Elliott Wave Principle. If you will Google it, you will find it's free book. It's not a big one, and don't try to let's say take everything exactly as is in the book. Try to understand what Elliott was trying to teach us about. Okay, grab the concept, how market moves and why it moves. You will see in this book he was trying to teach people that market moves in the impulsive movement and in the corrective movements, and there's always some pattern that appears over there. Few patterns are there, sorry for this correction, and then when this correction is completed, the market will repeat the previous impulse. It will go in the upside again. Okay, so this is what Elliott was trying to teach us about in this book. Okay, that there's always impulse and corrective movements. So just read it, you will see. Okay, just don't try to copy it on your trading, into your trading. Understand it first. It really helps me a lot. It was my breakthrough book basically, and of course then after that I had to work a little bit on this knowledge. No, it's an Elliott Wave Principle. Let me just drive it. Right. It's an Elliott Wave Theory Principle. Okay, search for this, Google for this, Elliott Wave Theory book PDF. It's supposed to be free on Google. Okay, it's a free book. It's not a big one. I have no idea. I think it's 25 pages. I think something like that. 30, 25 pages book. It's enough. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there. Hope this webinars helps you a lot. Hope it helps you understand the market, and the most important, hope that you are learning from it. Okay, so next time when I will be there, so make sure that you will not miss it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You will be notified when I'm going live, and of course I will put the links as well over there on Twitter and Telegram as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me the DM. So take care everyone, enjoy your day, and keep your eyes on the market. Bye bye.